This is another example for Gauss quadrature method. Here we are using 2-point formula. So this is the problem. Apply Gauss 2-point formula and evaluate integral 1 to 5 dz by z. So this is the problem we have. So we need to convert this equation. Okay, so here this is in terms of z and dz divided by z. So we need to convert this equation into the f of x form. So how we can convert this? For converting this integral, here this the integral is 1 to 5. We also need to convert the integral into minus 1 to 1. So for converting this integral, first of all, we need to find the x. We need to find x. So for that purpose, we can use this equation, that is z equal to b minus a divided by 2x plus b plus a by 2. So this is the equation we can use for getting the x form. So here what is a and b means? A and b is, this is the interval, and a is 1 and b is 5. Okay, then substitute the value here. 5, b equal to 5 and a equal to 1. So 5 minus 1 divided by 2, x plus 5 plus 1 by 2. Then we got z equal to 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. Hence, here x equal to z minus 3 by 2. Then what is dz? That is 2 dx. Now we have dz and z. That is dz is 2z and this z is 2x plus 3. Okay, now we have the equation for dz and z. So for checking this whether this is a positive even function or not, for that purpose just apply z equal to 1 and z equal to 5. Apply the values here. X equal to z is 1 minus 3 by 2, and z equal to 5, x equal to 5 minus 3 by 2, minus 1 and 1. We got the interval minus 1 and 1, so we can apply the interval minus 1 and 1 here. There is no problem. Okay. Then directly apply the values. That is, what is the question? Integral 1 to 5 dz by z equal to, we can rewrite the equation. It is of the form minus 1 to 1 2 dx. That is dz equal to 2 dx whole divided by, what is z value? 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. Then 2 is common. So 2 into minus 1 to 1. 1 by 2x plus 3 dx. Okay, take this 2 outside. 2 into minus 1 to 1, 1 by 2x plus 3. Then apply the Gauss 2-point formula. Apply the Gauss 2-point formula. Here f of x dx. Here what is the f of x here? 1 by 2x plus 3 dx is the f of x now. Okay, so this is the f of x. നമ്മുടെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ z ഫോമിലായിരുന്നു, നമ്മളതിനെ കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്ത് x ഫോമിലേക്ക് ആക്കി. Now this is the f of x here, 1 by 2x plus 3 dx. Then minus 1 to 1 f of x dx equal to f of minus 1 by 3 plus f of 1 by 3. This is the Gauss 2-point formula. Then what is f of x here? 1 by 2x plus 3. 2 into 1 by integral 1 minus 1 to 1 by 2x plus 3 dx. That is equal to 2 into, just apply directly, 2 into f of minus 1 by 3. f of minus 1 by 3 means f of x is this one. So 1 divided by 2 into minus 1 by 3 plus 3 plus f of 1 by root 3. 1 by 2 into root 3 plus 3. Apply the value for x. Then we got the value 1.565. So this is the final answer. Okay, so നമ്മളിവിടെ ആദ്യം എന്താ ചെയ്തത്, dz ഡിവൈഡഡ് ബൈ z ആയിരുന്നു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. സോ നമ്മളിതിനെ എക്സിൻ്റെ ഫോമിലേക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്തു. അതിനെ കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ z ഈക്വൽ ടു b മൈനസ് എ ബൈ 2 എക്സ് പ്ലസ് ബി പ്ലസ് എ ബൈ 2 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ഇക്വേഷൻ യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് നമ്മൾ എക്സിൻ്റെ ഫോം കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചു. സോ വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ ഫോം ഓഫ് എക്സ്? z equal to 2x plus 3 and dz equal to 2dx. Then apply this value here. We got like this, 2dx divided by 2x plus 3. Then equate the equation using the formula. Finally we got the value 1.565. Okay, so this is the solution for this problem.